Hey, Mr. Lopez.
How are you?
Okay, I got more problems again.
No problem. What are you doing?
Thank you so much for taking my call.
No.
So, the other day after we talked, I noticed that on the shore power that connects to the boat, I have a 50 amp
Clock.
cord that does the 125 250 volts. I noticed that there was like some burning on it. And I think that's been there for a while, whatever. But I was like, oh, the next time I talk to you, I'm going to talk to you. Is that dangerous? Is because I talked to you last time about the 85%. And a lot of times I'm putting on 3 air conditioners and the gyro and the refrigerators. And I was wondering if I'm putting on too much and running it at too high of a percentage of the load, and whether that's causing it or whether something else happened there where maybe the wiring's bad or it got corroded. I don't know. Then I was washing the boat that day about 2 days ago. Now I came onto the boat to go out, and my son said that the power was out, the shore power. I see it's tripped on there, but when I looked at the outlet now, it's much more burned. So
okay.
if I could,
all right. You. Can I check the outlet, please? Correct. Okay. Excuse me. Can I check again, please? Okay. Excuse me. 1 second. Excuse me. Oh, keep. Excuse me. Okay. All right. Okay. You have a 240 double phase panel. Okay. Great.
When I heard you talking to someone else one time, I think it was on one of these where you were having a conference with them, you would, or maybe it's just a class, but you said, oh, was it single phase or double phase? And you said, oh, if there's an ELCI, that tells you it's single phase. You said double phase wouldn't have that. Did you say that, or?
Excuse me, that short power that you have over there is double phase. You have
double phase, okay.
You have 2 phases, you have neutral, and you have the ground in the side, is the metallic part in the side of the outlet. This is the ground.
Okay.
Okay. It's because in your panel, you have some equipments working with 120 single phase, and there are other equipments, for example, the water heater, the water maker, they work with double phase, with 240, 250. That's okay?
Okay.
Okay. One of the phase in the outlet, the humidity enter in the outlet and produce that situation and burn it, the terminal.
So you think with humidity?
Correct. It's humidity. It's humidity entering over there.
It's not the loads or anything.
No. It's not about load. It's not about the refrigerator. Not about the air condition. Nothing. It's humidity.
Okay. So, you think what I have to do? I can cut that. That the whole cord. I can cut it just at the end.
It's just at the end. 2 inches longer than the outlet. You cut it over there. You open the cable. We can do it together. When you buy the new one, I help you to do that procedure.
Okay, so I would take this and then I just cut it like around here.
Exactly, over there. Exactly.
Okay, and then I just reconnect the wires there. Like, how would you splice them together? Like with the small ones, it's easy. I guess you just have that crimper. How would you connect them here?
Derek, you don't need, in the boat, you don't have any problem. Those problems that the breaker trips is because the outlet is in short. That's the problem. When you replace the outlet, when you put the proper outlet, new one, you don't have any other problem in the boat.
But that cord that you just said now to cut, those have to be, are those going to be really big wires in there, big gauges?
Yes. Internally, you have 4 wires. Probably is number 10 or number 8. Each
number
wire.
10 or number 8. So when you connect them, though, like I'll have to buy a new, they sell just the end adapter there?
Yes. the manufacturer is Marinco.
Marinco. So they'll
Marinco.
just sell an end piece like this that just has open wires.
This is the original insulated, but the terminal is a Marinco terminal. Don't worry about the white insulation. The new one is coming with a yellow insulation.
What is that one again? I forget the name every time. It's grouter or not grouter or rotor, or it's got the one where you just kind of use it to, you could cut metal with it. Or
you know the big clamp to cut it, big battery cables. You remember that one? That's the tool that we need. And after that, we need a knife, good knife, to cut the plastic in each conductor, and that's it. Because we are going to twist it with hands, each conductor, and we introduce each cable in the hole of the new outlet. The new outlet have with 4 holes: hot, neutral, and ground. And we are going to introduce the cable in each hole. And they have nuts on the side, set screws in each side.
Okay.
It's too simple. It's too simple. It's too simple.
Okay. Now, also the outlet that's on the boat, I think that might be burned also.
No,
you want me to show you that?
No, that one is not burned. It's normally burned the cable only, the short power cable.
Well, can I show you what it looks like?
Yeah. Okay. Can you show to me with the camera the outlet in the boat, please?
See there on that bottom?
Okay. All right, that's good. No, those terminal, yeah, in the bottom, yeah, it's burned also. Okay, we need to replace both of them, the male and the female, both of them.
Okay.
You need to replace both of them. The outlet in the boat and the outlet in the short power cable.
Okay. Now, again, you think that was because of humidity?
Correct. It's humidity. It's not overload. It's humidity. It's humidity.
Okay. So for the future, is there something that I need to do? Because I guess when I'm connecting it or something, maybe, I don't know when I let the humidity, or just the humidity in general. Or
no,
did I
it's
let water
normal.
in there?
It's from the environment. It's from the environment.
So is this going to keep happening?
In the future, in the new one, we are going to put a special grease, like a silicone dielectric, around each terminal, and we are going to introduce the new one, and we are going to tighten this completely. Derek, when you have the new ones, I help to you with the camera to do that process. It's simple. It's not complicated. It's too simple.
Okay, so I'll give you a call then now. So I'll just wait for that to come in, and then I'll give you a call back on that.
Yeah, you need buy those. Those are the Marinco terminal, yellow color. You see?
Yes.
Correct.
Now, will they just have the end there, or does it also come with the cable?
Excuse me?
Do they sell just the end, or do I have to buy the one with the whole cable in both sides?
You can buy only the ends, no the entire cable, because the entire cable is good. It's just the ends.
And now the ones that go on the boat, are those universal, or are they specific to my boat? Well, I have to call my boat manufacturer.
It's important that you take a picture of the terminal in the boat, and you need buy exactly the same capacity in amps and the same terminals, the same position on the terminals. Let me show to you those.
Okay.
You see?
Yes. So I'll find the one that's the exact same to order.
Exactly. That's the only that you need. You enter in the website of Marinco or AC boat pedestal outlets, and you see all the outlets. And you need verify that the legs are the same position, the legs and the capacity. 120, 240, 50 amps, exactly the same, male and female. That's it.
Okay. And then now it's not safe though to reconnect this now. Because like this isn't going to come in for a week. I'll just have to like come down here if the battery's getting too low or whatever, and just put the generator on or something.
No, I don't recommend connect the power with that cable, because you can produce a short in the boat.
Okay.